Hi friends, welcome to Venky's channel. In the previous video, we have learned about the pre-tag, the big tag and the small tag. Today we are going to learn how to add strike-through in HTML. There are three ways of adding strike-through in HTML and we are going to discuss each of them. So let's open Sublime Text and then let's remove what we have done yesterday. Now let's save our changes and then open in browser. Now let's minimize the browser and go back to Sublime Text. Now here let me write Venky's channel. Now let's save our changes and then let's learn how to add strike-through to this text. As I said, there are three ways of adding strike-through to text. That is using three different tags. So the first one is called as the strike tag. So let me write strike tag and let me save my changes, and in between both the strike tags let me write Venky's channel. Now let me save my changes and then refresh the browser. You can see that Venky's channel has a strike through on it. Now let's learn the second way, which is by using the del or the del tag. So before that, let's add a br tag for a line change, and in the next line let's write del tag, and between both the del tags let me write Venky's channel and then refresh the browser. You can see that Venky's channel in the second line also has a strike through over it. Now let's add another br for a line change, and in the next line let's write s tag. S tag is also used for adding strike through. So in between both the s tags let's write Venky's channel, and let's save our changes and refresh the browser. Now you can see that the third line also has a strike through on it. Friends, hope you have understood how to add strike through in HTML. In the next video, we will learn about a few more tags. Bye friends!